In this video, I want to show you how to input paper, how to load paper in your HP DeskJet 2855E printer. So let's get started. Step number one is to go on the back of this printer. This is where the paper input is located. You're going to stick your fingers on the back and going to lift this panel all the way up. Then let it rest on its back. You see there's a small flap over here. It's translucent. If we look closely inside, there is a blue guide. Depending on the size of your paper, you may have to move this blue guide. For example, move it all the way towards the left side. If you're going to print, as it says over here, on 5x7 or on 4x6 photo paper, you will have to put this blue guide where the line is, okay, right like that. But in my case, this is US letter size. Most people will print on that paper, so I'll push it all the way towards the left. Then take your stack of paper, make sure they're all aligned, and simply glide it, okay, this way. Push it until you cannot push it anymore. And this is about it. Before printing, you need to extend the paper output by pulling this down and then taking this small plastic thing, I don't know how you call it, out so that the paper doesn't come flying all over your desk. If you need paper for this printer, I'll put Amazon links down below. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment.